So now we have to make the configuration ready. So what will we do? So the thing of the the fact of the matter is that we can do it two ways. Okay. Now if I have to open any XML site, so there are four. Okay. So we will one by one and name and demonstrate them. So what we'll do, let's first do for core site. Okay, we'll open that and I will show you what it is actually. So after that we will we will add the configuration. First let me show you that. Okay, so what we'll do, simple, any file if we want to make if we want to open, it's nano. So nano is nano, after that what, nano dollar hadoop home etc hadoop, and then core site dot xml. Okay, when we do this, this is something that we get. Okay, now this is something that we're getting. You see that xml tag, there should be no space before that, there should be no line before that. Okay, that is where it should start, and if there is, you will get errors for sure. Okay, all right then. So what we have to do actually in any of these files, only change that you have to make is what you have to do inside the configuration tag. So whatever you have to add within this configuration tag, right? So any property means it will consist of property tags basically. So whatever you have to add here, you have to do it within this configuration tags. Don't change anything else, don't make new configuration tags, just add in this configuration tags. All right, so that is that. Okay, now what we have to do, the thing is I was saying that there are two ways, right? So what is the second way? First of all, let me close this. So what is the second way? What we actually do, it's like some of you might have seen that I was actually using nano dollar hadoop confdir. Okay, so that is actually, you can say, a optional directory that I'm making. So how will I do that? Like I'll open that nano bash rc file again, and what I will do, so I'll go down as we do. So simple thing, so export hadoop confdir is equal to, so what, basically what you have to do here is dollar hadoop home. So I'm just going to I'm just going to write the same thing here, so I don't have to write that long again and again. Okay, and dollar hadoop home etc hadoop. So remember that this is optional. Okay, what is this? It is optional. So after this I will close it, save it, and don't forget to source, don't forget to actually run it when we do it through source. So source bash rc. Now in place of this, in place of this hadoop home, I'm going to write hadoop conf sorry, it is capital letters, conf, so dir and core site xml. Let's see if we get the same thing. Okay, so we're getting the same thing basically. Okay, so let's close it now. So same way you have to do for 4 of them. Okay, there is YAML site. Okay, YAML site. There is, okay, you see that again in this YAML configuration properties you have to put it within these configuration tags, not anywhere else. You don't have to make any other changes. Okay, all right, we close it again. Now map red site. Again, you see that now this is my red site. Don't make any changes. Only change you have to make is whatever you have to put inside the configuration tag. Now what is the next one? That is next one is HDFS site XML. Okay, now the next problem is how to get what actually is required to be written inside. That means what we need to paste. So for that we'll have to like Google a little bit, right? So the problem of using ChatGPT is it is always giving its own answers, and it is modifying according to I don't know what. Basically every time it's changing its answers. So when looking for properties, don't actually go for ChatGPT. Look for a document on Google. So what we'll do is we'll look for Hadoop installation. Ubuntu property tags. Okay, let's see what we get. Okay, I mean we'll get something. Okay, don't worry about all this. So it is giving, now this is also a AI response. Obviously it will be a, so now see, now it is saying for HDFS site this is what you should do. So this is the basic configuration, but what we have seen, when we were using this basic configuration, we were getting priority on name nodes are not set. Okay, so in that case, so I'm going to copy this, but what I'm going to do, so I'm going to copy this and I'm going to put that in HDFS site. Okay, so what we have got is for HDFS site, so why not put it right away. So we have got one tag, but that's not enough. But we have seen that because the reason is, if we go ahead with this, we will get error that is cannot set name priority on name nodes, because it needs the path to name node. Otherwise every time what happens is it will work perfectly, but once you turn off your computer and turn it on again, what will happen is it will show you that error, cannot set priority on name nodes. So let's not do that again. We'll have to format the name node and everything. Okay, so let's not do that. Let's find any tag that would set the path of name nodes here. So let's see if we can get any document here. So you're not supposed to learn all of this, means memorize all of this. Learning is necessary, but you're not supposed to you're not expected to memorize all of it. Just making sense of it is very important. Okay, because if it makes sense to you, you can make a little changes or anything. If it doesn't, then you will just copy and paste, which is very dangerous in this case, because we are using terminal. If we any any bad command can actually harm your computer, so it is very necessary to make sense of what you are doing. Don't do things blindly. Anyways, so yeah, what we were doing, install uh, installation on Ubuntu. So we'll remove property tags. It is just giving. So let's see. So every time we'll see any else. Don't worry about all this. We just have to look for property tags. So basically, what are our property tags? Okay, rather I actually shared with you in your lab manual, so you can go ahead with that too. Okay, so you have that property tags and those will work. Okay, so we'll go ahead with that.